The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics of the antenna in ideal conditions of installation and use. Standing wave ratio below 1:1, maximum applied power of 600 watts, and impedance of 50 ohms, and stainless steel, etc. This antenna can be tilted with a butterfly screw, with which it is provided to enter passages, garages, or parking lots with low height. Apart from this situation, an inclination of more than 30 degrees is not recommended because it can affect the performance of the antenna. Can be mounted on a magnetic base or with a cable connected to the mount. Its length is another very important factor that can influence the communication distance in traffic. Thus, the longer the antenna, the longer the range. PNI S9 has a length of 120 centimeters. The antenna can be mounted on a PNI 120 DV magnetic base.